In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under rules of agriculture in West Africa. So guys, we have 6 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, government's involvement in agricultural business in Nigeria is most manifested in, we have option A, establishment of farm settlements in each state of the federation, formation of farmers cooperative societies, option C, establishment of credit guarantee schemes for small-scale farmers, procurement and distribution of fertilizers. So the right answer to this question is option D, which is procurement and distribution of fertilizers. Next of the question is this one. It says a country would develop its agricultural sector first so as to stabilize the prices of industrial products, stabilize the prices of agricultural products, create a market for the industrial sector, create a market for the agricultural sector. The right answer is option C, which is create a market for the industrial sector. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says an important rule of agriculture in Nigeria's economic development is the provision of employment. Alright, so that's the right answer. It's obvious. Next question I have here is this one. It says training farmers on the improved farming techniques is the major activity of, we have creditors, middlemen, extension workers, intermediate workers. So the right answer, guys, take note of this question, is option C, extension workers. Okay, that's the right answer. Next question is this one. It says a strategy for improving agriculture in Nigeria will involve controlling the prices of agricultural products, establishing commodity boards, reducing agricultural exports, ensuring self-sufficiency in food production. So a strategy here for improving agriculture in Nigeria will involve ensuring self-sufficiency in food production. Okay, the last question before I end this video with this one. It says the ultimate aim of agricultural policies in Nigeria is to achieve, we have industrialization, food sufficiency, industrial capacity utilization, full employment. So guys, the right answer is option B, which is food sufficiency. So that's the ultimate aim of agricultural policies in Nigeria, to achieve food sufficiency. So guys, this basically can do problems involving rules of agriculture in West Africa. We practice with this repeated questions under this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to the channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you'll be getting premium information that help you to excel in your external exams like GAWASI and other external exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having known this, click on the screen above and I will see you in next video. Thanks for watching.